Hi, you must be wondering what I am doing. Well, I'm journaling. Lot of my clients, lot of my friends, lot of the people who follow me on various social media platforms have often asked me to talk about journaling. So here I am making a video specially for you about how to journal, what is journaling, and what is the right approach in order to manifest using journaling. Journaling is basically a habit of writing down your goals, your thoughts, your feelings, expressing anything and everything at that moment of time using a diary and a pen. All you need is a blank diary or a blank piece of paper and a red color pen. I'll tell you why a red color pen is so important, but before that, let me describe to you what is the right approach, what is the right process to journal, and what all things can you journal. The best part is that there is absolutely no defined set of rules for journaling. You can do it the way you like, but I will share how I do it. So usually I take a diary with myself and a red color pen, and every day before I start my day, before I start taking my appointments and my calls and everything, I take out 10 minutes on a daily basis in the morning. I close my eyes, I take a deep breath in, I focus on my breath basically, and then I think about how I want that particular day to be like, how I am feeling at that moment, and what are my goals and my to-do list for that particular day as well. So once I have done that, I simply close my eyes and I try to visualize whatever I have written it down. For example, you can choose to write something like, I am having a healthy body, or maybe I am reducing my weight down to whatever particular number. You can decide to write down something like, I am having a beautiful relationship with my parents, with my siblings, with my husband, with my friends. You can also decide to write down any particular goal, be it a number goal, be it a goal which is to do with your sales, your turnover, your income, whatever it is. Just write it down and don't judge, don't think too much whether it will happen or not happen. Receptivity is very important with journaling. And once you have done that, simply close your eyes once again, visualize that, and use the magical words, thank you. You can also choose to write down the word thank you on the diary itself. And you are done for the day. You can carry on your regular activities and do this thing again the next day. So journaling is a habit that you need to do on a daily basis. It's not something that you do today and then you forget after 10 days again. It's not gonna work like that. In order to make it work in your favor, two things are extremely important. First, receptivity, and second, consistency. Consistency for at least 40 to 50 days minimum in order to start seeing the beautiful energy shift which happens to you. And now coming on to the last part, that why is a red pen so important? Well, red is the color of fire. Red is the color for manifestation. Red is the color which is known to expand anything. So when you write down something using a red color pen, it actually starts manifesting that energy in your life, which is why red color is always recommended whenever you are journaling a particular goal. So see, journaling is a beautiful, simple habit. All it requires is 10 minutes on a daily basis, receptivity, and some consistency. I would love to know how you journal. This was my way of journaling, but I would love to know how you journal. If you have any success stories that you would like to share after you started to journal, feel free to comment those below and share your experiences with me. Sending you lots of love and blessings from here to there. Thank you so much. Namaste.